What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video in which we will talk about the green metaverse token, GMT, which is now just called Stepn, I think, but back in the days, back in March I think, it was briefly called the green metaverse token, so I still know it by that name. But yeah, I wanted to cover it because, well, GMT has been falling a lot over the last months. We were pretty stable after everything that happened with FTX. However, when that drop came, the 15th and the 16th, due to unchanging monetary policy, we started a free fall, and I just wanted to make a quick video on whether we can actually stop that fall. And apart from that, also just a technical analysis, and we'll also take a look at some statistics. I think you need to do that. For today, GMT looks pretty bullish. Volume is up by 130%. It looks like pretty normal volume overall. There are some weird spikes which I don't like. Actually, quite a few where the volume goes up by 3 million in 5 minutes. So it seems a little bit manipulated, but not that manipulated that it rings all the alarm bells. And price up 7%, 8% as well. So that's good. Obviously, Stepn was the first real move to earn project. So let's take a look at how GMT is doing, how Stepn is doing. Which I'm going to use these metrics for that. These are a little bit outdated, not too much. They've been made somewhere in December, I think. So yeah, last updated 10 days ago. 10 days ago is not too long. But what you can see is that overall the monthly active users is decreasing. Stepn, it was a lot, all right, and it's still quite a lot, but it is decreasing. So the overall intrinsic value, I would argue, is decreasing as well. The economic statistics are all right, but apart from that, it's the daily active users are dropping. The new and existing, like, we barely get new users every day, and the existing is dropping, as you can see. So overall, Stepn is not doing too well, and GMT has been following that, obviously. So now the big question is can the technicals actually provide at least some sort of support for us? So let's talk about that. There was something on my screen. Right now, what we've done is we hit quite a strong support level at around 22 and 22.5 cents, which is a minor psychological support level. But the problem is that, all right, now we hit our first resistance level, which is actually pretty strong. It's this level right here between 26 and 25 cents. And what you have there is, well, 25 cents is a psychological resistance level. You got the 236 FIB there. You got a 50 EMA there. I think the chances that we can break above that, which we need to do if we want to stop falling, are pretty low. The only way in which I think we can do that, because overall the thing we want to do is break above 26 cents, get towards 28 cents, and then from there we'll drop back down. But then at least we know that we're not going to drop down to 20 cents soon. All right, so that's what we want. We want to form some sort of a consolidation so we can become stable. And then if the market circumstances get better, maybe we can hold on to that stability. That's what we want, but the only way in which I see this happening is if Bitcoin gets above 17,000. Right, so that if that happens, I think this is going to happen, but I think it's way more likely that, all right, we might take a break retest off of 24 cents and get up to 26 cents, but if we don't break above that, we'll drop back down towards 22 and 22.5 cents, and then, you know, consolidate on top of that for a little bit longer. But I think this is more likely, and I think in this scenario it's inevitable that we will have a bearish breakout through 22.5 cents and drop down to this level right here between 20 and 18 cents. To me, that's the most likely scenario, but that's largely based on the market structure from GMT now, the market, the entire crypto market, and then apart from that also, on top of that, the statistics of Stepn. The only way in which this could be prevented is if well, I cannot talk, but if Bitcoin breaks above 17,000, which I don't see happening soon enough for this to be prevented. So that's my take on GMT this afternoon. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.